Applied Mathematics, Chapter 16, Utility Bills. In my previous video, I explained electricity bill, water bill. In this video, I am going to explain you PNG bills. Interpretation of piped natural gas PNG bills. PNG bills has three main elements. First, connection fee and security deposit. It is charged at a time of new connection. Connection fee is non-refundable, whereas security deposit is refundable. Second, network tariff. Network tariff cost of PNG connection includes laying of pipelines, network up to appliance along with the necessary fittings, pressure regulators, meters, safety valves, and conversion of LPG appliance to PNG. Network tariff includes in gas charges. It is also known as minimum charge. Third is gas consumption charge. It is measured in standard cubic meter SCM, and gas charge increases with the increase in consumption. Calculation of PNG bills. Gas bill is calculated on the basis of meter reading. Every gas company has their own tariff plan. For example, in Maharashtra, gas charges are unit of consumption in standard cubic meter SCM, and price per unit in rupees is given to us up to 0.60 SCM per day. Cost is 29 rupees 60 paisa, whereas 0.61 to 1.5 SCM per day cost is 35 rupees 20 paisa. In Lucknow, if we compare with the Lucknow, gas charges are up to 45 SCM per month. Cost is 29 rupees 50 paisa, and above 45 SCM per month cost is 42 rupees 61 paisa. Natural gas is taxed under VAT regime. VAT ranges 3% to 26% on different states. For example, UP charges 26% VAT on PNG, whereas Gujarat 15%, Maharashtra 12.5%, and in Delhi there is no charge on PNG. Now, understanding this, let us proceed with the problems based on PNG bills. Mrs. Shalu from Lucknow, UP, consumed 56 SCM of gas in 60 days. Calculate her PNG bill for that period. Tariff plan is given below. Number of unit in SCM, price per unit in rupees is given to us. VAT is included in the water charges. It is already included in it. And network tariff is 10% of water charges. So whatever the water charges will come, we will take 10% of it to calculate network tariff. So first of all, we calculate water charges. Water charges up to 45 per month. So we say 0 to 45, it is 29 rupees. Cost is 29 rupees 50 paisa for 45 SCM. On multiplying, you will get 1327 rupees 50 paisa. Then after above 45 per month, that means 46 to 56, as she consumed only 56 SCM. Here 46 and 56 both are included. So we have cost is 42 rupees 61 paisa into 11 SCM. 45 plus 11, that is 56. So we have 46 in, for 2.61 into 11 is 468 rupees 71 paisa. So total is 112 1 16 1 9 7 1 196 rupees 21 paisa. As VAT is included, so it is nil. We calculate network tariff. Network tariff is 10% of water charges. That means 10% of 1796 rupees 21 paisa. That comes out to be 179 rupees 621 paisa. Include all this, we get. So third is, say, PNG bill. PNG bill is water charges plus network tariff. That means 1796.21 plus 179.621. Add. On adding you will get 1975 rupees 83 paisa. So Mrs. Chalu has to pay 1975 rupees 83 paisa as her PNG bill for that month. Gas charges in Delhi are 28 rupees 55 paisa per SCM including VAT. Mr. Gupta consumed 47 SCM gas in 2 months. Calculate the PNG bill for Mr. Gupta for these 2 months. First of all, we calculate the gas charges. As 28 rupees 55 paisa per cm and Mr. Gupta consumed 47 SCM. So we have 28 rupees 55 paisa multiplied by 47 SCM, which is calculated as 1341 rupees 85 paisa. Then second is network tariff. And we know that in Delhi, since Mr. Gupta lives in Delhi, therefore in Delhi there is 0% network tariff. So here it is nil. So we can say that PNG bill that Mr. Gupta has to pay is the gas charges itself, that is 1341 rupees 85 paisa. That Mr. Gupta has to pay the 1341 rupees 85 paisa as an PNG bill. Hope you understand this, how to calculate the PNG bill. Do like and subscribe my video.